Hey team, congratulations and welcome to the testing community. It's so good to have you on board. This video is going to serve as a short and simple tutorial you can refer to familiarize yourself with certain processes and steps within the STU Web App. On screen now, you'll see some timestamps for said processes and steps. Skip forward if need be, otherwise enjoy the video and we're so excited to have you on board. To kick off, let's log into the system for the first time. To do so, I'm going to navigate to app.heystu.com.au. Upon navigating to the website, I'll see a pop-up on my screen welcoming me to the web app, along with some key highlights for the website. I'll also see at the bottom an opportunity to log in with a one-time password. To do so, I just need to enter my email. I've entered my email and I'll hit send OTP. Then just like that, I'll go to my email, hit refresh, and I'll see that a new code has come in. I'll copy said code and then paste said code and hit verify code. And just like that, I'm able to create my profile. I'll enter a name and hit create profile. The next thing I'll do is I'll go to the top right-hand corner with the red one and go manage account. From there, I can connect my account to Google. I'll hit that button. Then I'll be able to select the email I'd like to connect. I hit continue. Make sure that Stu can access my calendar. And just like that, I've connected successfully and logged in for the first time. The next process we'll explore is interacting with Stu. To do so, there's a big microphone button on the middle of the screen. I can select that to start speaking with Stu. Hey Stu,
Hey there.
how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? Anything on your mind today?
I can select the black microphone button to put myself on mute. If I'd like to cancel the said conversation, I can press this big X button, and that'll bring me back to my original page. I'm also presented with a transcript on screen that allows me to review what I said and review Stu's responses. The next process I'll explore is adding, editing, or deleting events from my calendar, all through simple voice-based interaction. Let me kick off a conversation with Stu. Hey Stu, I just met Jeremy today and he just reminded me that we should play some basketball tomorrow between 1 and 2 p.m. Can you add that to my calendar, please? Stu will then read my message, read my calendar.
Perfect. Your basketball game with Jeremy is now scheduled for tomorrow from 1 to 2 p.m. at the local sports center. Have fun, and I'll keep track of it.
And will add that event to my calendar. I can also edit said event. Hey Stu, Jeremy's actually cancelled on me and wants to do it for Saturday between 1 and 2 p.m. Can you move that event in my calendar?
The basketball game with Jeremy is now rescheduled for Saturday from 1 to 2 p.m. at the local sports center. All set.
Thanks, Stu. Turns out Jeremy is going to be sick on Saturday. Weird. But could you delete that event from my calendar, please? Thank you.
The event is deleted from your calendar. Anything else I can help with?
Thanks, Stu. That's all for me today. The next process I'll explore is creating, editing, and adding new tasks. Let's do so. I can do it through voice-based interaction or by typing here in the top left corner. Hey Stu, I need to write a CV for my electrical engineering degree so I can secure a job after I graduate. Can you add that as a task for me to my task list?
Your task to write a CV for your electrical engineering degree is added to your task list. Good
Thanks,
luck with your
Stu.
job hunt.
Could you also break down that task into some subtasks so it's manageable and easy for me to work through? Stu will then break down the task into some subtasks. If I'd like to tick off my progress as I go, I can use this green button to do so. If I'd like to break down a task further, I can do so by clicking the breakdown task icon. Otherwise, I can edit, delete, find out information related to how much time Stu predicts I'll need to spend on this,
Your
as well
CV
as
task
adding
now
new
has these steps.
subtasks.
1. Gather educational background and achievements. 2. List projects, internships, and experiences. 3. Detail technical skills and certifications. 4. Write a professional summary or career objective. 5. Review and refine your CV. You're all set to get started.
Thanks, Stu. Next, we'll explore the hyperfocus mode. To enter hyperfocus mode, I navigate to one of my tasks and select the Enter Hyperfocus Mode button to the left of the task. Press that and I'll be brought to this page. This shows me the one current step that I'd like to focus my attention on. I can adjust how much time I spend on this task with these with the plus and minus icon. I'll adjust it to 10 minutes. I can also gather verbal reasoning related to this task. I'll press that now.
All right, let's dive into gathering your educational background and academic achievements. What are some key highlights from your studies in electrical engineering? Think about your degrees, special projects, or any honors you've achieved. What stands out to you as a significant accomplishment or learning experience for you?
And I can also start the timer by pressing the play icon here. Perfect. Next, we'll explore the hyperfocus. The next process we'll explore is the brain dump. In the left-hand corner, I can see that I can jot down any ideas or thoughts that come to me during the day. Let's say I had a thought of a I can then save that thought and revert back to it at a time that suits me. Hey Stu, I've just finished my working day and I'm ready to work on a side project. I'd mentioned something about soccer in my brain dump earlier today. Can you remind me what that was?
You have an idea about a soccer ball that comes back to you after being kicked. What would you like to do with this idea?
And just like that, I can refer to the brain dumps I made earlier in the day at a time that suits me. The next process. That's a wrap for the current processes in the STU Web App. Of course, this product is designed to be iterated on and changed, and you're welcome to provide any advice or honest feedback you can on your experience with the STU Web App. It will help paint a better picture for the rest of the community and make sure STU is a product that everyone can get along with. Thanks for joining me on this ride, and I hope this video helped out.